Scientists have found that people tend to agree on what features make someone appear likable, trustworthy, or competent.
And just put your chin down slightly.
I want to find out what people think of me. So I'm sending my picture to Dr. Chris Olivola. He's analysed hundreds of real online data's reactions to profile pictures and has discovered what facial attributes are most popular.
So at least one of the websites I used is entirely based on swiping on pictures of people.
Yes, I know what that site is, yeah.
Yeah, so in that case, photos seem to be totally essential.
Yes. So for women searching for men, they do care about attractiveness, physical attractiveness, but they also care about how fun, outgoing you are, kind of how warm and approachable you are. So if your goal is to try to get as many women interested in you as possible, then looking more fun and outgoing is going to boost your chances of, separately from looking more physical attractive. Yeah.
Okay.
To see if my face is generally perceived as being fun and outgoing, Chris has mapped my photo onto a 3D model of a generic head.
And there we go.
Oh.
It doesn't do hair, so.
Looking at me there, I think I don't look competent. I don't think I look particularly trustworthy, and I certainly don't think I look likable.
With no hair and the computer's identification mark stamped on my forehead, I think I look more like a cage fighter than a potential lover. But what I think is irrelevant. The computer program, engineered by Chris's colleague Alex Todorov, combines the collective opinions of hundreds of people comparing thousands of different faces.
The model tells us that your face looks likable.
Okay.
You do also look trustworthy, right?
Oh.
In terms of competence, you have a fairly competent looking face.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Okay. Great.
Yes.
What about the other things then?
Fairly extroverted and quite dominant at the same time. So I think you have a face that's good for dating and job interviews, which is great. I think most people usually it's one or the other.
It's very odd seeing this because what I'm forgetting is that these are not my character traits. That this is, you're not telling me about my personality.
No.
You're simply telling me what a bunch of people would say about my character traits, glimpsing my face.
Yes, our faces say a lot.
And Chris has a way of showing me how to look more likable and trustworthy.
Again,
So you can change my face?
Yes.
Oh, do it, do it.
Okay, so which one do you want first?
Make me more likable.
Okay, so if I ramp up your likability.
I get thinner.
And you're smiling more.
Yeah, okay.
So smiling is a simple and easy tip.
So my eyebrows are a little further apart.
Yes.
And I'm slightly more smiley.
Yes.
And what about trustworthiness, if we increase that?
To
Dial it up. See, that would be hard to do without plastic surgery.
The BBC are refusing to pay for plastic surgery, so the only alternative is for me to try and take a more fun, outgoing profile picture to boost my online appeal. I have to say I'm cringing right now, but if this is what it takes, I guess I'll give it a go. Someone once told me you have to cough out a laugh, so